Hello everyone, welcome to our tech room. Today in this video we will discuss about how to download single specific sheet from Google Sheet. So let's get started. As we know that we can create multiple sheet or tab in a Google Sheet. Here I have 3 worksheet in Google Sheet, and if you want to download this entire Google Sheet, then you can simply go to the file and then download, and then you can download these uh, Google Sheet in various formats like Excel, PDF, HTML, CSV, and TSV. However, downloading single specific sheet from Google Sheet is tricky and there is no straightforward method for it. But don't worry guys, our tech room is here for providing you trick for downloading single sheet. Method 1, by changing Google Sheet URL manually. First of all, we have to know that each sheet on a Google Sheet is identified by a unique GID number. Here you can see when I click on first tab, then the GID number is this. When I click on second, then the GID number is changed to 182404870. Similarly, we have a different GID number for each sheet. If you want to download the data only from this second tab, or if you want to download this specific sheet from Google Sheet, then you just have to replace this edit as with export format is equal to XLSX ampersand at the last. You can find the same information in this block. I will provide this link in the description. Here you can see you just have to replace this part with this part. I have done the same thing here. So after that, just press enter. Here you can see the file has been downloaded. Here you can see only the data from this second tab has been downloaded. Just open it. Here you can see we have this entire Google Sheet with only one worksheet, that is February. If you want to download this sheet in PDF format, then you just have to replace XLSX with PDF. So come here and replace PDF and then press enter. This will download the second sheet in PDF format. Here you can see it. Similarly, if you want in CSV, then you just have to replace this with CSV and then press enter. This will download the data from second worksheet in CSV format. So in this way we can download one specific sheet from Google Sheet. Method 2, using copy as explicit option. So first of all, go to your desired tab, then right click on it, then click on copy to new spreadsheet, then click on open spreadsheet. This will open the spreadsheet with only one tab, that is February 1. This will open spreadsheet with only one tab that we have selected previously. Method 3, using bookmark technique. So for this you have to create one bookmark. So go to your Google Sheet, then click on this 3 dot located at top right corner and then click on bookmark manager. Then let's create one bookmark. Add new, right click on it and click on add new bookmark, then give it a name like download specific sheet. Then come to this site, copy this script and then paste here and then click on save. Here you can see your bookmark has been created. Now you have to come to your spreadsheet, then click on 3 dot bookmark, then click on download specific sheet. Here you can see, click on allow. Here you can see that specific sheet has been downloaded successfully. Here you can see. Suppose if you want to download that specific sheet in PDF format, then you just have to replace this XLSX with PDF. If you want in CSV, then replace this with CSV, and then create the bookmark. Then you will be able to download in various format as CSV, PDF, or XLSS, or we can say it in Excel format. So in this way we can download one specific sheet from Google Sheet.